To slice our Tinkercad designs, open Bamboo Studio and click to add a file. We'll choose the basic ring and choose open. And the ring is laid down flat, and that's perfect. That's just the way we want it to print. One, because if this were standing up, we would need supports. And two, because printing in this orientation will give maximum strength if you think about how the layers are laid down side to side. If this were standing up, the center of the ring would be very weak. Think of the grain of a piece of wood. Now we can slice this the way it is, or we can move it over and we'll add our other rings. I'll choose the diamond ring, move that over, and choose the simple heart ring. The heart ring is laying down in a flat orientation. That's perfect. That'll print very nicely. The diamond ring, however, is standing up. Again, we could print it in this orientation. We would need to add supports. No matter how we orient this ring, we're going to need to add supports. But the question is, what orientation can we print it in where it will attain maximum strength? I'm going to go ahead and slice it as is, just so we can take a look. If I zoom in, you see the central area of the ring? Those layer lines are very brittle in this orientation. So what I'm going to do instead is go back here, make sure the model is selected, and choose Rotate. And I'm going to rotate it 90 degrees in this direction. So when it prints, the layer lines will be crossways and it will have maximum strength. Now, of course, I still need supports here, so I'm going to go to Supports, click Enable Supports, and you can choose Normal Auto or Tree Auto, whichever you prefer. Let me see, I'll try Tree Auto here and preview and go in, and you'll see that the supports are there supporting mostly the ring, but also the underside of the diamond shape, and that's fine. If I scroll down to the top of the supports right here, you can see that even though the tree supports are all ending in a point, Bamboo Slicer has also added a top sort of solid layer for the bottom of the ring to rest on. So that should actually be fine. Click so that I can see the time, the print time, 18 minutes. Hit Command G on the keyboard and type in my file name, save the file to an SD card, and print. And here are the completed results.